Greetings, everyone. Hi, Dr. Joseph Lathan is here, and I'm so excited to begin this session of the Living Your Best Life workshop, and that you decided to sign up for this life changing 21-day experience. This is a personal development workshop, and the success of this course is built upon your engagement and interaction. Your motivation and passion to be a better you will be the key to how you are graded. And this course consists of a self grading system. And being so, it's best that way because, after all, who can judge you better than you or grade you better than yourself if you are totally honest with yourself, right? Nonetheless, I'm fully confident that this experience will be so much more than the modest monetary donation you gave to sign up. Having an amazing group of individuals together in a forum seeking to be our best us. Not only did you agree to participate out of the personal relationship we share, which I am extremely grateful for, but you were selected because of what you can contribute and bring to this experience. Now, some may wonder why the course length is 21 days. And research reports that it generally takes 21 days to form or break a new habit. And the goal of this workshop is to promote mindful habits that allow us to vibrate at our highest level as much as possible. Now, most of this course experience is based on dialogue and engagement from topics in my book. You will not need to purchase additional text, as all of the readings will be totally online. And you will not need to be online every day to participate. There will be discussion posts, videos, spiritual exercises that we practice, and reflections that are shared amongst a team of high vibrating individuals to build a kingdom thinking community. And our willingness to share our vulnerabilities, deficiencies, and imperfection in a collective safe forum will be the strength for us to make progress towards living our best life. Now, to begin, I want you to please click on the syllabus link to help define the format of the course and what you are getting ready to experience over the next 21 days. And I want you to know that generally in my past, I have always been a pretty private person and I didn't want everyone to know my business. But over time, that has changed, and I now realize that my past and my current personal challenges have served as my greatest strength. And these are things that I think are worth sharing with others. The attached syllabus begins with my personal truths about me and my life. And after reading, I invite you to feel free to let down your guard in this non judgment free workshop. And in a follow up email, I will send out the information on how we will join the live web meetings. And I encourage you now to get in there and begin introducing yourself and begin with the readings and responding to the rich discussion posts and begin practicing the spiritual exercises. The live Zoom meeting will be held this Thursday, 5:30 Pacific Standard Time and 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. And now that you have been introduced to this course, I now invite you to begin the journey to living your best life. Thank you for joining, and let's get it done.